Franklin Lakes is often misunderstood, just another wealthy town, but there's a specific reason why people move to Franklin Lakes. Franklin Lakes is basically a mountain retreat where the nature preserve, 75 acres of water and 140 acres of woods. People move here because you can finish a high-stress board meeting in Manhattan and be kayaking in under 45 minutes. It's not just a park, it's the backyard of the whole community. So right now, this is obviously not furnished, but this is the formal living room. And what I love about it, it's right off the kitchen, it's right off the dining room, it's next to your entry, but it could be anything you want it to be. I know it's called the formal living room. You have a lot of light, you have a bunch of windows, like almost floor to ceiling windows. This could be, you know, a playroom. If you have kids that you want to keep close to the kitchen, it could be truly formal. You could have beautiful velvet couches, but honestly, bring your imagination and do what you want with it. I just found my favorite room. Check out this pantry, it's insane. So there's actually 2 pantries in this house, which I didn't know, but this is a dry pantry, and then you have your coffee bar and kind of like your, you know, utility closet almost, you want to say, but this is where you could keep the microwave, you could keep your coffee machines, your blenders. There's a lot of electric plugs here, so this is like your working station. Everything is hidden, it doesn't have to be on your countertops. Oh, what's this fridge? Do we know the brand of this? Oh, Forno. Okay, so this is a high-end Forno refrigeration. And then, oh, we got a matching Forno 8-range. So you could have a whole party here. You have a warming drawer, you have your oven, you got a microwave, beautiful quartz countertops, huge island. You do have a hood, which I love because you want all that smoke to disappear as you're cooking. Gorgeous dining room. So you have a 2-way fireplace. It is electric, but it's gonna give you a little bit of warmth as well. And you have this great entertaining space. So you have a beautiful dining space going into your huge kitchen and then going onto this Trex deck. And then you really don't see too many neighbors. You could kind of see this neighbor right here, but it is very, very private. Franklin Lakes is very unique. They do have a 1-acre zoning. So each house has to be at least in 1 acre. So you don't really get too many neighbors here. You have a great powder room here. Very modern, very cool. Awesome leathered looking wallpaper. Look at that. Lots of lighting, really fun. This will take you to the garage. So you have a huge oversized 2-car garage. And then there's an entire world out here. So we got large family room, okay? You got the staircase going down to the ground floor, not a basement, actual ground floor. You have big windows there and it's a walkout with its all private entry. And then you have this almost like private suite. You have a big bedroom, lots of lights, lots of windows, lots of closets. There's closets actually on both sides. There's a closet here, and then there's a closet on this side as well. So you could have your in-laws stay with you. You could have guests come visit. No one will bother each other. You have a gorgeous bathroom over here as well, full bathroom with a shower, and then an office. Which honestly, if you don't need an office, this could be another bedroom. So really you could kind of turn this 5-bedroom into a 6-bedroom. But this is an office, which is great for like working from home or, you know, running a YouTube channel from your house. You have a linen closet. All the floors are tile, which is nice because then, you know, nothing gets scratched up. Kids, dogs, toys, the floors kind of stay meticulous. I mean, look at this grand entrance. This 2-story foyer is insane. All this trim work, all this light coming through. I just can't wait to see the rest. Before we tackle the laundry room, which I'm really excited about, let's talk about this. This is a primary bedroom that could probably house 70 people. Look how big it is. You have a sitting area. Again, tons and tons of custom windows. You have a walk-in closet for him. So this is her walk-in closet, but it has a staircase. So again, I want you to notice that there is surround sound throughout the entire home, even up here, even in the dressing room. So this takes you down to a primary closet. So this is a hidden closet, right? Because we didn't see it on the first floor. It's not connected to the layout of the first floor. It has this insane islands for all your, you know, jewelry, accessories, and things like that. This is probably where I would spend all my time, just here. Again, meticulously done. Let's go check it out. You have his and hers. And I honestly love it when the vanities are on separate sides, so you don't have to fight like, oh, your side is messy, my side is messy. Keep everybody separate. You have this beautiful soaking tub, marble tile on the floor, huge shower, rain shower, bunch of heads. I mean, this is amazing. And a private washroom, which I love. It's hard to see from the inside, but obviously it's cold outside, so we can't really film outside right now. You do have two separate driveways. So one is on the right-hand side that takes you down to the, you know, ground level, and one that takes you to the first floor. So you have 4 garages plus a bunch of parking spots right in the driveway. Again, really beautiful window. I wouldn't mind washing dishes downstairs with the window they got down there, and I definitely would not mind folding laundry up here. It's really nice, really quiet, just serene.